This is the Chairman Pro Electric Face Shaver from Manscaped. Here's how to style your scruff with the skin-safe Stubble Trimmer Blade. Designed to give you your ideal stubble length, this blade comes equipped with 2 length-setting combs to help define your jawline. To switch blade heads, turn the Chairman Pro off and pull the magnetic attached blade head up and away from the shaver. Then install your Stubble Trimmer Blade by popping it back on the head of the Chairman Pro. The magnets will grab it and hold it in place. With the Stubble Trimmer on, choose your length. Comb 1 will give you up to a 1 or 2 day look. Comb 2 is a little longer and will give you a thicker stubble. The combs will easily slide on and off. With the Stubble Trimmer attachment flat on your face, move the shaver up and down to achieve a consistent length. Continue to change direction and repeat as often as needed to perfect your stubble and achieve your desired look. And as a final touch, you can use the precision blade to clean up your sideburns and shape your stubble. Put the precision lock on. Tilt the blade head at a 90-degree angle to take advantage of the precision trimming edge pressing gently against your skin. Move down and away from your hair as you would with clippers. Stroke your chin with the Chairman Pro from Manscaped.